Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia here. Guess what today I am making? I am making a protein rich cake. Yes, it is a protein whey plus paneer eggless cake. You've heard it right. It's an eggless protein whey and paneer cake. And it's very easy to make. And let's begin the preparation of this. For this we'll take a mixer jar of this and in which we are going to add all the dry ingredients. Here goes the protein whey powder, the cocoa powder, stevia and your psyllium husk, whatever you call, and your baking powder, baking soda and a little bit of pinch of salt which will enhance the flavor of the cake. Now we'll churn this. After churning this mixture, the whole dry ingredients have mixed up properly. I'm going to add all the wet ingredients. Here goes the paneer. Here goes the hung curd. To this hung curd bowl, I'm going to add oil and I'm going to stir it and use the remaining hung curd. Then I'm going to add cream. All these will add flavor and enhance your macros even. Now to this whipped cream cup also I am going to add water and stir it and use the remaining whipped cream too. Now I am going to shut the jar and churn it. After churning, the mixture it looks like this and it is ready, it is done. Now I am going to transfer this into a microwavable dish which I am greasing it. Now take out the mixture and the remaining ingredient which is left in the jar, you can add water or almond milk and use it as a smoothie too also. See, the remaining ingredient you can use it. Now I'm going to tap it a bit, shake the microwavable dish a bit and let it put for microwave at least for 3 to 4 minutes and it will be done. See, it's done. I'm taking it out, let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just touching and seeing it's done or not. Let me enter a toothpick and it's clear, so it's ready. Scrape out the side. Slowly, it is a bit hot. And turn it upside down on a plate. Tap the plate, tap the jar, this vessel a bit, and here comes the unveiling of the cake. See, it's done. Lovely, hot air is coming out. My cake is done. This I am sprinkling a bit of stevia for decoration. You can avoid this. You can add whipped cream with stevia and your flavoring of your essence like vanilla or anything, or you can add whipped cream and cocoa powder and stevia and decorate the cake also, whichever way you like it, or you can have it like this even. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, please do subscribe to my channel and post comments. I would love to answer it. Thank you.